It's my very first time ordering from AliExpress and I was not expecting this. The first item I got is this 6-shelf steel storage rack. It took a while to build, but I did make a few mistakes along the way. I would recommend not to open it all the way because I mixed the top bars with the regular ones and I had to redo it all. I also recommend doing it on a flat surface or hard surface because it makes it unbalanced when it's on the carpet. What I really love is that you can adjust the shelves however you like, but for now I'm going to keep it simple. And I decided to put it in my laundry room because I have this corner and it fits perfectly there. I ended up putting my towels on there so they wouldn't take up so much room in my storage closet. It's pretty sturdy and works well for my towels. Another item to build, and I didn't realize it until after opening it, it has paws on it. Aww. So cute. It's a 5-tier storage shelf rolling cart. This one was a lot easier to build. I decided to use it in my shower because I don't have anywhere to put my shower stuff. And this is the perfect storage and it's convenient because it fits right in the corner of my shower. Next is this silicone hot drink coaster. I've been using it every day when I drink my hot coffee so it won't ruin my counter or tables wherever I bring my hot drinks. The material is soft and non-slip, so you don't have to worry about it spilling. I don't know why I picked the hardest thing for me to clean, but this silicone cleaning brush works great. Just add water and soap. Scrub that food off. Good as new. I was surprised this little guy could do that. The next item couldn't have come at a better time. My cat's can of food is missing the part top to open it. And I really needed a can opener. I don't normally have good luck with can openers, but this one was super easy to use and it's like magic. My cat was happy and I was too. My new favorite can opener. All these items are already at such a great price, but if you haven't shopped from AliExpress before, you can download the AliExpress app, search my code to get a special welcome deal, and you can also click my link below to get the items in my video. Till next time, bye!